Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Bought a couple lots of tools from an online estate auction out of the Midwest, and I'll discuss at the end what I paid, how much the shipping was, and a few other things about how they run their auctions. So here we go. Most of these are Kobalt. Not really sure if you guys ever seen these. So these are what they call Kobalt first generation USA. They're made by Snap-on or Williams or something. I'm sure somebody out there knows more than me about them. I've had them in the past. These are super nice wrenches. The black ones I don't know a lot about. They're metric. So we'll get them all kind of laid out here. Let's see what we got. Okay guys, first of all, in SAEs we have let's see what we got here. Got a 5/16 on up to 13/16, and then in the metrics, I believe these are made in Taiwan. Not 100% positive of that. We got a 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and an 8. These black and silver ones, they are a spline drive. Like I said, I never had these, but they feel like nice wrenches. If we take a closer look at, if you look at the font on there, it looks almost exactly the same font that Snap-on uses. It's even got the year number or the year mark on it, and I would say it probably matches to Snap-on. These really, they're super nice wrenches. They're a little bit wide, but they're thin. Well, you guys can see that. And I found a set of these about 1.5 years ago at an estate sale, and I looked them up and I'm like, wow, like how can these be worth that much? Had a guy tell me back then that these were made by Snap-on, Kobalt, when they first started making their own tools or whatever. I think they thought, you know, they can put these on their shelf and they're gonna sell good, but I don't know, they ended up going a different direction, and of course now we all know that they're selling Craftsman. So totally, well, here's what else I got. It's a Harley Davidson 8-in-1, and then this was in somewhere in there too. So I ended up paying, this was 2 lots. And the girl grabbed a handful of one set with a handful of another set. That was 1 lot. So you had to buy 2 lots to get all the tools. And it's kind of funny. Nobody bid on them, and I think these auctions are hurting themselves by not selling them as a set. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I had to buy 2 different lots to get all this, and then the Harley Davidson screwdriver. Paid $5 for that. Nobody else bid against me. So totally here, I paid $23 for the tools, and I guess they didn't make enough money because they charged me $26 for shipping, which I'm pretty sure I could probably ship all this for $15 pretty easy anywhere in the United States. I do like that they put fragile glassware sticker on the box. So if you think I got a deal, let me know. If you know more about these Kobalt wrenches, I'd like to know about that too. Find out what the real story is. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and until the next one, have a great week.